Hidden beneath the soil, the Flak 88 anti-aircraft gun 1942 slowly reveals its massive silhouette. Morning fog drifts across its rusted barrel, tracing decades of abandonment. Hands gently sweep away loose soil, exposing the wheels and base for the first time. A soft cloth wipes dust from the barrel, unveiling scratches and uneven rust. Mud falls naturally from the wheels as the gun is slowly cleared. The barrel is revealed, every inch showing decades of wear and pitting. The gun is carefully placed on its wooden base, fully visible in the soft morning light. Hands trace along its surface, inspecting rust, scratches, and dents before cleaning begins. A gentle stream of water flows along the barrel, loosening decades of mud. Thick mud slides off naturally, revealing more of the Flak 88 structure. A stiff brush moves slowly along the frame, removing stubborn dirt. Water rinses over the barrel, softly reflecting the morning light. Oil is applied carefully across moving parts to prepare for restoration. A cloth slowly wipes oil across the surface, softening rust and grime. Hands pause to examine the remaining rust and scratches on metal surfaces. The gun shows clearer metal beneath dirt, a glimpse of the restoration ahead. The breech bolt is gently moved, exposing the internal mechanism. Bolt removed carefully, revealing the intricate interior of the gun. Screws and fasteners are loosened slowly, beginning the dismantling process. The mount is gently lifted from the barrel assembly, revealing full structure. The barrel is slowly lifted, showing rifling and connection points. Trigger and mechanical parts are detached and set neatly on the base. All components are displayed around the gun, ready for careful restoration. Hands trace each part, inspecting wear, rust, and surface imperfections. Rust is gently scraped from the barrel and mount, revealing worn metal beneath. Sanding block moves slowly along surfaces, smoothing rough patches. Metal is polished with a soft cloth, restoring subtle shine without perfection. Wooden base and supports are treated with oil, enhancing the grain and texture. Hands examine remaining rust patches and scratches, ensuring careful attention. A cloth wipes off residue from sanding and polishing, leaving a cleaner surface. Wheel and mount surfaces are polished gently, preserving realistic wear. Slow reveal of cleaned barrel surfaces shows improved metal with imperfections intact. Targeted oil is applied to remaining rust spots, softening and protecting the surface. Hands trace the gun from barrel to mount, reviewing every cleaned surface. Reassembly begins, carefully aligning barrel and mount into position. Screws and fasteners are tightened slowly, securing the assembly. The breech bolt is reinstalled with precision, restoring function. Mechanical alignment is checked as moving parts are gently rotated. Lubricant is applied to pivot points and joints for smooth operation. Hands test rotation and movement, confirming full mechanical function. The Flak 88 anti-aircraft gun 1942 sits fully restored, centered on its wooden base. The gun is slowly rotated, revealing a 360-degree view of its structure. Hands trace the barrel, highlighting smooth surfaces and realistic imperfections. Wheels and mount are gently showcased. Subtle hand movements accentuate detail. Final cinematic rotation presents the Flak 88 anti-aircraft gun 1942 in museum-grade perfection.